Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Schwab using wire transfer instructions, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Schwab account using a wire transfer, start by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts section of your dashboard. Select the account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Click on the Transfer or Move Money option. Choose the wire transfer method for your withdrawal. You may need to provide the receiving bank's information. Enter the recipient's name as it appears on their bank account. Input the recipient bank's routing number accurately. Provide the recipient account number where the funds will be sent. Specify the amount you wish to wire. Review the transfer details for accuracy. If this is your first wire transfer, you might need to verify the transfer by answering security questions. Once confirmed, submit the wire transfer request. You will receive a confirmation message once the request is processed. Keep in mind that wire transfers may incur fees, which can vary by account type. Funds typically arrive within 1 business day, but it may take longer depending on the recipient's bank. Stay updated by checking the transaction status in your Schwab account after several hours. If you encounter issues or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Schwab customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.